impression is definitely the last. Okay, how many of you agree with this statement? Or how many of you do not agree with this statement? Yeah, simple reason being because here we are talking about the resume, right? The resume is our hero and we are the director. Okay, and if we want to make a good super hit movie, we have to direct the hero or a resume in this case very nicely. Fine. So as Simran also mentioned that employers do not have the whole day, entire day to read your resume. So what is the impact? Okay? They have so many resumes. Impact is how your resume is drafted or how your resume looks. क्या वो clean and tidy है? Is it clean and tidy? Is it organized? So that is the first impression which lays on the mind of the employer कि हाँ, if the resume is organized, ये person भी organized होगा. That person must be organized as well. All right? Okay. Next. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Yes? Fine. Okay, now this is a question answer round. What is the difference between resume and a CV? So are you guys aware? Is there a difference? First of all, I would like to ask you, is there a difference or both are same? Okay, let's see this with the help. Little confusion. We are here to solve your confusion. CV is for fresher and resume is for experienced people who already work somewhere. Who said so? Sorry, I didn't see the name. Okay, Rahul Sa. Now we have Rahul Sa. Okay, good. I'm so glad that everybody is answering. Let's actually find out what is the difference between resume and a CV. Now here we'll do it with the help of the example. On the left side, you can see there is a resume with this cute little guy has mentioned some contents about himself. Can you see? He has mentioned about me. He has put in his picture. He has mentioned his experience, contacts, skills, education. This is a resume. Now, if you compare it to the CV, this lady has mentioned something about herself. Slowly, but okay. So here you have to mention the keywords. The key point is with respect to the job profile that we are going to follow even when we are drafting a resume. Now this is the question answer round again for you guys. What is the full form of CV? Let me see how many of you know the full form of CV. Now this is so fun. Yes, it is curriculum vitae. Fine, good. And see how the guy is looking. Now he is also looking like most of us. We are now very happy to know. जिनको नहीं पता था अब उनको पता चल गया. How happy we are. Coming back to resumes now, there are three types of resumes. Mainly there are three types of resumes, and that we'll be talking about here today. One is chronological, the other one is functional, and the third one is combination of chronological and functional both. So let's start again explaining this with the help of example. See, again, college you have to understand what kind of degree. Are you doing a degree course or not? For courses, mostly for courses, you need resume. Degree as in आप BA कर रहे हो, फिर आप MA करोगे, फिर आप शायद PhD करोगे. There you have CV. And बहुत सारे लोगों को it is a misconception that resume and CV both are same. Even I have, मतलब हमारे पास when we receive resumes, resume लिखा नहीं होता उस पे, CV लिखा होता है वो resume ही, right? Okay, let's begin with chronological resume. Now here again, see the contents. He has mentioned all the contents, his skills, language that he knows, activities that he has done, his education, and his work experience. But in chronological resume, you have to understand that all the details that you mention, you will be mentioning it recent. First you will mention the recent and then you will mention the previous one. For example, if I am working, I will mention work in this company in 2021. Followed by the second will be work in this company in 2019. So it is going to be a descending order, fine, in chronological resume. Whereas in functional resume, guys, see this guy has mentioned summary of skills. Understand that functional resume is made when the emphasis is laid more on the skill rather than the work experience, right? So कभी-कभी क्या होता है, employers थोड़ा ये risk ले लेते हैं कि ठीक है, we will hire a person who has good communication skills, who has good technical skills for a job profile, और उसको hire करके and then maybe during the training period he will learn कि क्या job profile थी actual और वो learn करेगा. But again it is very risky. What if he doesn't learn, right? So in the end, a blend of chronological where you mention your work experience and all the other contents, and functional ka skill. So a blend of both we can take and we can make a chronological plus functional, a combination of both resumes.